Spookify your Halloween. Ever wish your Halloween decor could be both spooky and stunning? We're diving into the OCATO Halloween Decorations Spiderweb with 135 LED purple lights and a giant 59-inch spider sold on Amazon. With 136 global ratings and 66% 5-star reviews, one user says, definitely a focus point, and another, easy to put up, great addition. Stick around, we're unboxing user experiences, comments, and photos so you'll know if it's the real deal. Let's get spooky. Hey there! Love honest, funny reviews? Smash that subscribe button, hit like, and join the Try Before You Cry crew for more. All right, folks, let's talk about this giant spider web from OCATO found on Amazon. This falls into the outdoor holiday decorations category and promises some serious Halloween vibes. Was originally listed for $39.99, but is now 20% off, which brings the price down to $31.99. Not bad, right? So what exactly are you getting for your money? And more importantly, will it scare the neighbors? Let's find out. This Halloween spiderweb comes with 135 purple LED lights woven right in. We're talking about a 59-inch giant spider to complete the creepy crawly effect. The lights have 8 different modes, from steady to flashing, controlled via a battery case and a 16.4 FT cable. OCATO lists cotton and polyester as their material, so it should hold up outdoors. Maybe? The spider is plush with bendable legs, which is pretty cool for posing. A quick note from the manufacturer says this combo will definitely captivate your neighbors. The 12V lights will be waterproof, so don't worry about rain. It sounds scary, but is it durable? Okay, let's see what real buyers are saying. Most folks found it super easy to put up and loved the vibrant purple. Some thought it was huge, others not so much, but size can be subjective, right? Now, durability's a mixed bag. Some claim it held up great against weather, kids, and even the yard guy, while others had webs breaking. Uh-oh. One buyer mentioned the cotton material and is curious how it will hold up in rain. Another had to zip tie the spider on, which is a little concerning. Remember that the next time you are setting it up. Be careful. So, is this OCATO spiderweb worth your cash? If you're looking for an affordable, eye-catching Halloween decoration that's easy to set up and has vibrant purple lights, it could be a good pick. The size seems decent for most yards, and the spider adds a nice creepy touch. However, the durability is a bit questionable based on user comments, so handle it with care. This seems ideal for someone who wants a quick and festive Halloween setup, but isn't expecting it to last for years. And keep an eye on those stakes. Thanks for tuning in to Try Before You Cry. We hope this review helped you decide if this creepy crawler is right for you. Remember to subscribe for more honest reviews based on real user comments, experiences, and verified specifications. Stay spooky and see you next time.